Good morning, students. Today we will continue our lecture on metallurgy. This is the lecture number 2 presented by me, Vanit Ghatak, your chemistry teacher. Okay, so let's begin. Today we will know about the minerals, ores, and we will know the difference about between the mineral and ore, and we will also discuss about the gangue. What is gangue and what is the process of extraction of metal. Okay, but here in our syllabus the process of extraction of metal is omitted. Okay, so today we will only continue our lecture on the basis of mineral, ores, and difference between the mineral and ore, and what is gangue. Okay, so the first topic of today is what is mineral. Okay, so basically mineral is that kind of compound that consists of a particular element. Okay, suppose in case of iron, if any compound have iron in it, then that compound is called the mineral of iron. Okay, in limonite, magnetite, hematite, all of these three compounds having iron in it. Okay, so limonite, magnetite, and hematite all are called minerals of iron. Okay, so by how can we define the mineral? Mineral can be defined as a natural inorganic solid with definite chemical composition and structure. So what is mineral? Mineral is basically a natural inorganic solid. Remember, it is inorganic. I have already been discussed you. There are mainly three parts of chemistry, that is organic, inorganic, and physical. Here the metallurgical part is based on the inorganic chemistry. Okay, so here in the mineral is also a natural inorganic solid with a different definite chemical composition and structure. Okay, so mineral will be looking like this only. Okay, so what is mineral? Mineral is basically a compound that can consist of a particular element. Okay, so that compound will be called as the mineral of that particular element. Okay, so what is ore? So ore, I have already been discussed to you that suppose in three compounds, that is limonite, magnetite, and hematite, all of these three are having iron in it. Okay, so all of these three compounds are called the minerals, but not from all the compounds we cannot extract iron commercially. Okay, so we can extract iron commercially only from one of this mineral. Okay, one mineral from these three minerals. Okay, so that rock that consists or contains enough metal or metal compounds so that it can be mined profitably is called ore. So from which mineral we can extract the metal is called the ore. Okay, suppose let it be very clear that any compound that has an element is called mineral. Okay, any compound that has a particular element is called mineral. Okay, and from those n number of minerals, from which mineral we can extract the iron, extract the metal, extract the element profitably and commercially is called the ore. Okay, so here in the case of iron, there are limonite, hematite, and magnetite. Okay, so here from these three minerals, these three contains iron, so these three are called minerals. Okay, so among these three minerals from which we can extract the iron profitably and commercially, then that mineral is called ore. And here in this case hematite, from hematite we can easily extract the iron, so hematite is called the ore of the iron. Okay, so what is ore? Ore is basically a mineral from which we can extract the metal profitably and commercially. And what is mineral? Mineral is basically any compound that consists of that element or that metal. Okay, so any compound that consists of an element or that a particular metal is called the mineral, and from n number of mineral from which mineral we can extract and extract the metal profitably and commercially is called the ore. Okay, so here I have given you the ore metal difference between the metal mineral and ore. Naturally occurring substance of metals present in earth crust is called the minerals. So each and every compound or element substance which contain a metal is called the mineral. But what is ore? Ore is the mineral which can be used to obtain metal profitably are called ores. All minerals are basically all minerals are not ores, but all ores are essentially minerals, because from minerals is the basic thing. After the minerals, from those minerals which can give us the metal profitably is called the ore. So any substance have to be mineral first, then it after becoming mineral, if that mineral can give us a particular metal or particular element profitably, then it is called as ore. So all ores are minerals, but all minerals are not ores. Okay, and the last topic of this day is gangue. What is gangue? Okay, so gangue is basically the impurities. The purpose of studying this metallurgy is to extract the pure metal from an impure substance. Okay, so pure metal from an impure substance. Impure substance means ore. Okay, at first we have to know about the ore. What is the ore of the metal? Okay, at first we have to know about the ore. Then after knowing the ore, it is the ore. Suppose the hematite is the ore of the iron. Then we have to extract the iron from the hematite. Okay, so what happens in hematite? Not only the iron, but there are n number of impurities will be present. Okay, so after extraction of iron, pure iron, the impurities present or impurities left behind is called the gangue. So what is gangue? Gangue is the impurities present in ore such as sand, rock, etc. is known as gangue. Okay, so impurities present in a ore such as sand and rock, etc. is known as gangue. Okay, so we have discussed today what is minerals, what is ore, and what is gangue. Okay, we have also discussed the difference between the ore and mineral. Okay, so that's it for now. If you have any doubt, you can ask me anytime. Okay, so thank you very much.